Hey YouTube, this video is for educational purposes only. This is just to troubleshoot Windows 7, and I'm just gonna give a testimony basically of what happened to me. I can't show you what I did because I already did it, so you're just gonna have to take my word for it. You have nothing to lose because obviously if it's not booting up Windows 7, it's not booting up. So what happened to me, I have a gateway laptop. Now I don't know if this works for desktops as well. I assume it does. And I have two hard drives. One hard drive is the main operating system hard drive, and the other hard drive is a smaller hard drive, and it has a recovery from factory. It has a recovery, it has factory settings. And what happens is when your computer goes bad, it boots up from that recovery, and it asks you if you want to recover your system as a factory setting, with Windows Vista. In my case, Windows Vista Home Basic or Home Premium, whatever. And basically, what's going to happen is, if you're running that Vista and you're trying to update to Windows 7, what I did was I had the files on my desktop, and I ran the setup for Windows 7, and I did a custom install, and I didn't upgrade. I did the one below, and everything ran fine. Windows 7 installed correctly. When Windows 7 was done, you know that there is an activator file out there, and I used that activator file to activate my Windows 7. And when it loaded the activator and it restarted my computer, when it came back to load up Windows 7, it went up to the default gateway, that gateway hard drive with the restore, and it asked me if I wanted to restore because there was a problem. So what I did was, at the beginning, at first time, I'm a newbie, so I didn't know, so I just ran the restore, and I'll just try it again, which I did. It restored my laptop to factory settings with Windows Home Premium, Windows Vista Home Premium, and I had to install Windows 7 again. So I installed Windows 7 the same way I did the first time. I ran the activator the same way, and the same problem happened. That recovery system came up. So what I thought was, if I can get that deleted, it would be good. So what I did was I looked for my original paperwork, and I found my original. It came with the laptop, my disk here. My original Windows Vista operating system. It's a Home Premium 32-bit, and I booted that. I restarted my computer and booted that disk. I booted from that disk, and what happened was it was installing. It was preparing to install Windows Home Basics again, Windows Vista Home Premium. And it downloaded all the files and whatnot. And if you're running through the same problem, what you have to do is you have to delete that part of that hard drive, that recovery. That recovery is what's stopping, because Windows 7 is installed on your hard drive on your computer. It's just not booting up. So when all those files load up from your original CD, from your original Vista CD, what you do is you follow all the steps up to when you get to where you can see your hard drive. When it asks you, do you want to delete hard drive, format it, you want to create a new partition, what you do is you take the smaller hard drive that appears there. If there should be two. If you're having this problem, there should be two hard drives or at least two partitions. And what's going to happen is you're going to delete the smaller partition. It's going to say recovery. It should say recovery on it, and you're going to delete it. Once you delete that, you go back. Once you delete it, and you go back and you X out everything that you need to X out, and then you just manually restart your computer. And when you restart your computer, Windows 7 will boot up. Because the recovery is not there, so it's going to boot up Windows 7. So I hope this information was of use for anyone who's having this same problem that I did. Just thought maybe that'll work, and it did. So hope it works for you. Bye.